Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're so well. Today I am doing the first installment of What to Wear Wednesdays, which is a new 5-part series on my channel that will be going live every Wednesday throughout July, based around different outfits that you guys can wear post lockdown, because I don't know about you, but I've looked like this for the entirety of lockdown and I've forgotten how to dress myself. So here are 5 daytime looks that are perfect for picnics in the park, going for coffee with your friends, or just kicking about in your garden. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on with the outfits. I haven't purchased anything new for this series, so this is more inspiration because they are old in my wardrobe, but I hope this inspires some outfit ideas you can use with your own wardrobes. Look number 1 is cool and cash. I love this look. I'm starting with a pair of cream pleather shorts with my Snoop Dogg baggy tee. I like the pleather because it adds a bit of texture. And I'm going to pair this look with a pair of sock boots to give it a little bit more pizzazz, a little black beret and a black handbag. Of course, you want to take your sunnies out. It's summer, it's hot, we think, we hope. So yeah, here is look number 1. This is perfect for going for lunch, a coffee date, going out to the cinema, whatever you fancy. Alright, look number 2. This is a personal favourite because it is unbelievably comfortable. So I'm wearing a pair of wide leg white cord suit trousers, and I'm teaming that with a ribbed white vest top. I'm really enjoying white on white on white. I think it's a really cool look. And then adding a pop of colour with these flats. They're a bright coral, and if it gets cold in the evening, I'd also team it with the matching white blazer. I love how baggy and oversized everything is. It's super flowy, and to also obviously add a bit more colour and carry your face mask around, I've got this adorable beaded rainbow bag which I love so much. This was from Zara, but again I bought this a couple years ago. But any kind of bright pop of colour as your accessories I think is a really fun look for the summertime. On to outfit number 3. This is a proper basic, great for hangover days, sitting in the park, sitting in your garden. It is just a white shirt dress, so light and cool and airy. It looks like you just chucked it on because that's exactly what you probably did. I would team it with either some white slides or some brown little mules, which is what I went for, and a matching bag, something tan or something rattan. I've got my rattan little circular bag which I love so much. Of course, a big pair of 70s glasses to hide that hangover. You don't have to be hungover to wear this outfit, but I just think it's a great one for hiding a multitude of sins and feeling comfortable whilst not putting any effort in. And then if you get chilly, this jacket's actually vintage, but any sort of neutral jacket. I'm just loving white and neutral tones at the moment. They look so lovely at this time of year. On to number 4. This is another one that I love. I mean, of course I love them. I chose them. This look involves some pink checked flares, which means it's going to be amazing. I'm going to let the trousers do all the talking and wear a basic white t-shirt. You can wear any white tee, and I'm tying it just to give it a bit of interest. And I love pink and red together, so I thought I'd fully embrace the pink and red theme. A red rucksack, a pink beret, and then my white Nike Cortez, which match both my t-shirt and my bag. Matchy, but this look is so adorable. I feel like I look like a little tourist. This is a great one again for sitting in the park, taking your booze and your essentials in your rucksack, and you are good to go. And finally, onto outfit number 5. I feel like a Polly Pocket in this look. I'm just wearing this adorable little ditzy slip dress, so cute and 90s, and the best shoes ever. These incredible chunky Converse platform sandals. They make the look. This is so Spice Girls, and I've just paired it with a super basic little beach bag. This is great for, again, just sitting in the park with your mates, looking cute and keeping cool. So yeah, those are all 5 looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Less than 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll see you again next Wednesday. Lots of love. Bye.